Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to do some calculations that involve food and meals. For dinner, you have a quarter-pound hamburger and fries. Hamburgers sell for $3.75 per pound. So let's figure out how much the hamburger costs us for one hamburger. So $3.75. We're going to eat 1/4 of that. So the price turns out to be 0.93. So about, well, the next digit is 8, so let's use that one. So about 94 cents. And then we have the buns, $2.04 for 8. That means each one is 26 cents. And we have frozen potatoes for $2.93, and it serves 4 people. So if I eat a typical serving, that will be 0.73. And let's go ahead and use one more digit. So about 73 cents. If I add all those up, I get $1.93. So 0.73 plus 0.26 plus 0.93, add them up, and you get $1.93. Okay, so we plan on grilled beef and baked potatoes for dinner. Beef is $5.36 a pound. And it serves 4 people, so each serving would be, divide that by 4, and you get $1.34. Then you take the potatoes, which cost $1.73 for 10 servings. So if you wanted to get that per serving, well, that just moves the decimal place 1, so that'd be 0.173 per serving. And then, and so we add those two together. We had the $1.34. That turns out to be $1.51 and a little bit. We can just put that there. So there's going to be 4 people. So if I multiply 4 people times $1.51, in a little bit, and then multiply that by, well, there's 4 people, but there's also 7 days. So 4 times 7 is 28, and then multiply that by $1.51. That comes out to be $42.36. We'll go ahead and round it to the nearest cent now, just to see. So if you figured out a week's worth of different kinds of meals, you could kind of compare, you know, and plan what kind of meals you like, what kind of food costs you're going to have.